Hey, this is Jenny Jones, Digital Growth Hacks Club. Hey, listen, this is a tool that I want to use more of for the 2022 year because as my client base builds up, they have interest and have different interests in so many things. Remember, please like and subscribe to this channel if you find that's something that you like or it's something you think you may miss out on, because I'm always doing different types of reviews and on different software to try to help you increase your bottom line for your business and show you different hacks. So I do have a hack list as well as some different hacks I figured out, but this is a quick walkthrough, not a full walkthrough of Inbox. I just wanted to concentrate on one particular feature, which I think is unique because there's a lot of mailers that are out there right now. But the one thing that I love about this is you can see there's a lot of different things here. They're just getting into the automation. I'll just show you that because I think early on when they came to Appsumo before, they didn't really have the automation. And this just shows you some of the automation that's going on. Let me show you what the automation actually looks like. So let me just show you, I just wanted to show you the automation. That's not really, I only wanted to show you that piece because they didn't have this in here before. So they have the little workflow, you know, when someone comes in, when they click in, you can have them configure, you can say, hey, I want them to wait 30 minutes before you send them or attach them to another campaign. So I think this is going to be pretty, it's going to be pretty useful. And you'll see that they have this also, they have this in VBout, and they also have this in InCharge. They have these little automations, and they also have it in ConvertKit and a couple of others. So this, what it does is if they do this, then do that. If they do that, then wait 2 days or something like that. And this is just a sample one that they're doing, and this is in beta. So I didn't want to really show you that. I just wanted to let you know that they're building on this tool, and I think this tool is going to be pretty fascinating once they're done with it. But one of the things I wanted to show you, of course, you have reports, forms, landing pages. But the one thing that I really like, and I think is really easy to flow, is they have these newsletters, right? And when you're not really, the one thing I like about newsletters is sometimes you can set them up and then you can set them and then forget them and then kind of keep people going and kind of keeping them abreast of what's going on. I am going to be rolling out a newsletter this year, and for my real estate investment group, it's one of the companies I run. I do a lot of networking and building out a lot of things over there as well. So this is pretty much how their builder looks. Is pretty much drag and drop. So this is one of the builders that I'm putting together for my newsletter. And inside my newsletter, it's going to have different properties and that are available from some of the people that are inside of our platform. They're going to list their properties here. And they're going to pay a premium to have them listed to the mailing, to the email list. So this is just one of the ways you can use it. It has drag and drop features here as well. Pretty easy to navigate. Of course, is the background here. If we wanted to change the color, you know, we can change it to, I don't know, red, right? If you wanted to do that, very simple, right? Very simple, easy to do. So yeah, that's one of the things. And then you can go and you can have these go to URLs. It's going to go to different pages that I have available. And you could, and it also shows you how it looks in mobile as well. So this is how it actually looks in mobile. This is a clean little tool, very neat. Their email builder is really nice. I mean, their newsletter builder. I'm still working out. I have other powerful tools that I use that have workflow already installed, and the mailing is going pretty well, but I don't have a good newsletter builder. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start using this to kind of get some of my emails out as well. This is a tool that you can set up with your own email address. It'll go from your own email address. So I can still run a campaign from my other mailer from using the same email address with SMTP, but I can also come here and use that same email address and run my newsletters from here. So I just want to let you take a look at it. They have a lot of little things I like about this tool. Unfortunately, I have more powerful tools, but this is the most powerful newsletter builder that I have. And I just wanted to let you take a peek at it and see how it does. If you're still interested in this tool, I think it is still available at Appsumo, and you can pick that up. I did put a link below. If you are interested in it, go ahead and pick that up. It'll at least buy me a cup of coffee, right? By no means am I trying to run my entire business off affiliates and affiliate links. I just do that for my time. If you guys still click on those, it allows me the opportunity to continue to do more of them, right? So again, I run a real estate investment firm. This is one of the real estate businesses that I run, and something that my clients have asked for is they want a newsletter for some of the upcoming properties that they've missed out on and that they have an opportunity to be able to get. So I'm going to be adding that this year. And by me having, if you want to be in a newsletter, then it's going to be a premium to be inside the newsletter to go out to the entire mailing list. So again, I just increased your value. If it just gave you this idea, you can have a premium to list certain things to your mailing list. And I just added another revenue stream in 2022. I wanted to increase my revenue, and this is one of the things I'm going to do. I'm going to use this tool to increase my revenue. So hopefully that was helpful for you. Again, this has been Jenny Jones, Digital Growth Hacks, the Digital Growth Hacks Club. We're always trying to help you with your bottom line, help you try to do better in your business, and try to help you increase your bottom line. Thank you. Thank you for joining me. Goodbye for now.